Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aries. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career circumstance, Aries. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. I will leave this card here. And one card for your love guidance. If you like this reading, Aries, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's see what are these cards, guys. First, for your general energies, we have Lovers, Two of Moons, and Cardinal of Stars. So, in your circumstances, guys, Aries, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are moving towards something good, maybe something positive in your work. You are moving towards a successful partnership, some collaborations maybe, and it is going to, go in a very positive way, guys, maybe beyond your expectation. And maybe in this love situation in your relationship, you have a good friendship with this person. You see yourself understanding each other and being there for each other. Things are really good. You have a great compatibility, and you feel that this relationship will move towards marriage or commitment. So you are happy, and this person is happy to be with you, happy to be in this relationship with you. And they are, they really love your company, love the way things are going between you both. So things are going in a very positive way. That is what I see, guys. But maybe sometimes, Aries, maybe some decisions or maybe something you are talking to this person, you must not go for some impulsive actions, maybe reacting to their words, or maybe in some circumstance, maybe they may tell you something, but you must respond, try to understand them, then talk to them, even if you do not like the way they are speaking or whatever they are telling you. So impulsive reactions are going to make things go in a difficult way for you guys. So you can avoid it, but being really patient, being really responsive, trying to understand before you speak, and trying to speak the right words, what will work for you, for this love, for this connection. So if you speak something without thinking, that is going to land you in some difficult circumstances today, guys, Aries. So you must be really careful, and you must not try to make things worse for yourself by speaking something harsh, something really bad. So that is what I see, guys. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Eight of Stars. So maybe in this connection, this person and yourself, you have, you are simply being judgmental, trying to prove each other right, today, guys. So that is the reason you are seeing some troubles. Maybe you are trying to prove yourself right and you are trying to prove your point. And maybe this person is also doing that. That may be the reason for some troubles or something not happening in the right way for you. And you are, for some of you, this is the reason for you feeling stuck, unable to decide on something, guys. Or maybe for some of you, you are sick or your person is suffering from some illness. So you must be really careful, guys, Aries. That is what I see with these cards, guys. But if you can wait, hold on, be positive no matter what. These circumstances are going to definitely change, guys, Aries. So for your career situation, Aries, we have Initiate of Moons. So with this card in your work situation, maybe you are feeling really confident about the way things are going, and you see yourself in a good position, maybe getting offers or opportunities coming your way. There is a person coming to meet you, maybe to confirm this partnership you are having, or some kind of an agreement with you, making some kind of an agreement. So something good is what is happening, and you are going for some good collaborations in your work situation, guys. So for your moon energies, Aries, we pick this card. New moon in Capricorn. Your hard work is paying off. So this card points out to the success you are going to see in your work situation, guys. All that work you did till now, it's going to come towards you in a positive way. And maybe today, you must think of your situation in the long term and make the decision maybe 5 years from now or 12 months from now, and make that right course of action that is going to help you. So being really ambitious is going to take you towards greater success and prosperity, guys. And this is the good time for you to decide on something good in your work situation. And if you are more disciplined, you are going to see success very soon in your circumstances today, guys, Aries. So for your love guidance, Aries, we have Past. So with this card, guys, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or maybe in your personal life, you have maybe the negative memories of the past, something not right, something really not good that is holding you back, that is making you more stagnant in your thoughts. You are thinking about that again and again and again. But you should not forget that this present moment will become your past very soon, guys. So if you want to make a better past for yourself, you must live in the present. Start living in the present right now, right away. Have that compassionate thoughts and compassionate actions. That is what is going to make you really proud of your past, and that will definitely bring a better future for yourself, guys. Bright future. So you must be really mindful of your present, Aries. So that is the energy here, guys, Aries, for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you tomorrow, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aries, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.